A few days ago, I came across this advertisement poster, and at first glance, it didn't look that bad. The colors were okay, the product was visible, and technically, everything was there. But the more I looked at it, the more I realized something was missing, that it felt empty and didn't create excitement for me to buy the product. So in this video, I am going to take this ordinary poster and transform into something more engaging, professional, and much more attractive. Now allow me to insist those who are not subscribed my channel to subscribe and watch the tutorial that I've been dropping every week. The first thing I am going to fix is the background. This is because a lot of designers, specifically beginners, underestimate backgrounds. And remember that backgrounds are what created the mood and helps viewers' eyes and make the designs feel complete. Notice how immediately the design starts feeling more energetic. Go to solid color and fill this color code. Now pressing embedded this object to our background enhances the abstract backgrounds, especially if you reduce opacity. Now use polygon tool to create the following shape and fill a solid color, this time with white. Convert it to smart object and apply Gaussian blur for smoothness. After you press embed this subject, use rectangle marquee tool to cut this part of an object to enhance the background using this shape. Convert to smart object, Ctrl+T to transform, and distort following these few steps. Now go to the layer below, Ctrl+T to duplicate, bring it to the above, convert to smart object, and apply film grains to add texture to our design. Now let us solve another important problem, that is showing only the product and forget that the product become more powerful when people can imagine themselves using them. That is why I am introducing a model wearing the headphones. This instantly create a connection instead of looking at an object. The audience now is looking at an experience of listening music, and this is why lifestyle advertisements work so well. Now add a new layer for shadow and make sure you don't use pure black, because a real shadow inherits colors from the environment. At least mixing a bit of your background color into a shadow. If it is white, then reduce opacity. Now let us move to typography. That to me, it is not just a text, but it is a communication. The origin design here had a text, but it was not creating much impact. So I am restricting the highlight. I want the audience to immediately understand the main message. And here, the large text attracts his attention, while the smaller text supports the message. And the spacing in general helps everything breathe. And the last part for today, remind us that every promotion poster should have a clear action. I'm talking about call to action. What do you want a viewer to either buy your product, learn, or to visit your website? Finally, here is a result. Compared to the original version, it feels more energetic, right? Let me know what you would fix differently in the comment below. And if you have a design you would like me to fix in the future episode, feel free to share. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next Fixing Bad Design episode.